हेलो गाइस, माय नेम इज़ शानू शर्मा। इस वीडियो में मैं आज बात करूंगा कि अगर आपको सीएफएल एग्जामिनेशन देना है या आप सोच रहे हैं कि मैं सीएफए में अपना करियर बनाऊं, तो आपको कौन कौन सी चीज़ें ध्यान रखनी चाहिए। बिफोर आई स्टार्ट दिस वीडियो, लेट्स टॉक अबाउट माय बैकग्राउंड। सो माय नेम इज़ शानू शर्मा एंड आई एम परसुइंग बीकॉम ऑनर्स फ्रॉम दिल्ली यूनिवर्सिटी, currently in the second year. I recently cleared my CFA level 1 examination in my very first attempt. I sit for the Feb 26 window and I scored 1705 in my CFA level 1 examination in my very first attempt. Let's move to the first question, which is why CFA. तो इसका आंसर मैं देना चाहूँगा, मैंने ऑलरेडी CA भी ट्राई किया है, बट while studying CA foundation, accounts doesn't fascinates me. So I got to know about the CFA program. I research about it. मैंने उसके करिकुलम्स देखे, उसके सारे मॉड्यूल्स के एक्सेस देखे and it found very interesting. That's why I focused more on CFA rather than any other finance courses. So आई वुड सजेस्ट इफ़ यू आर एनी वन हु इज़ नॉट, जिसको इंटरेस्ट नहीं आ रहा है किसी और सब्जेक्ट में, लाइक अकाउंट्स, CA, किसी में भी नहीं आ रहा है इंटरेस्ट, then you can definitely try to understand the CFA program for yourself. If you find the subject very interesting, like शुरू में थोड़ा थोड़ा पढ़ के देखो, उसमें करिकुलम्स का इंडेक्स, उनके नाम, उनके रीडिंग्स के बारे में थोड़ा जानो, फिर अच्छी लग रही हैं चीज़ें पढ़ने में, तो you can definitely start with CFA program. It's the basic thing I would suggest everyone should do before choosing CFA program. So let's move towards next question, which is ने कितना टाइम लिया अपने CFA level 1 की तैयारी के लिए। This is the common question I am getting from lots of people around me. So, to be honest, मैंने 7 months I started in July and I ended up in end of the January. It took me 7 months, complete 7 months. मैंने complete 7 months लिए। और आर्ट्स की बात करें तो CFA इंस्टीट्यूट का कहना है कि 3 hours are enough for your CFA level 1 examination. To be on conservative side, I didn't follow that. Even I forced myself to sit for 3x, and whenever I done with my studies, I noted down the accumulated those, and this is the 952 hours which exactly I given to my CFA level 1 examination. If you are a newbie, like you are in the BCom honors, definitely 6 to 7 months are enough. If you are starting from the scratch, like if you are an experienced professional, like you are in the CA examination, CA intermediate, in CA final, hopefully find them very easy. You can definitely go for 4 to 5 months, even it's more than enough, I would say, if you are experienced or you are in the stock market. If you are in the stock market, there are going to be some exceptions for you. You can outperform in some subject, I would suggest. So it's all about you, how much you already know. Third question is which subject find it toughest for me. ऐसे तो मुझे कोई सब्जेक्ट इतना टफ नहीं लगा, because if you devote yourself, you will find everything very easy. You could understand everything, but I would suggest you have to start early as AP. Looking at back, I found many students, many my friends struggling with the fixed income and again derivatives, and then cons have to devote time. I remember I give 2 months to a fixed income subject because I want to master it at any cost. I scored very well in that subject too. Definitely you have to struggle with the ethics, you have to rub that. There is no shortcut in the ethics. I would suggest you to start ethics reading daily. I also suggest you to not fall for the swagger or the third party material, because ethics is something CFA Institute takes it very seriously. For ethics, I would recommend curriculum only, not the swagger reading, not the third party material reading. So now question is, kitne mocks या कितना revision time is enough for clearing CFA level 1 examination? So I think it's matter most, like in the CFA level 1 examination or in the any CFA examination, it's very important for you to revise questions ASAP. You start your preparation. There I made a mistake. I could score very well, even though I scored very good, because I didn't start revision early for completed our learning modules. Then उसके बाद मैं EOD end of the chapter question solve करता था. Even I tried कि मैं हर 10 दिन में हर सब्जेक्ट को एक रीटच दूँ, हर कॉन्सेप्ट को दोबारा पढूं जो मैंने कंप्लीट कर दिया है, और उसके थोड़े बहुत क्वेश्चंस जो स्वेचर के एंड में है वो तो एटलीस्ट सॉल्व कर लो. डेट वॉज माई अप्रोच दैट टाइम. आई वुड हाईली रिकमेंड यू टू नॉट टू जस्ट leave questions for the end. I would suggest to question ASAP. Like, don't fall for the mistake which I made. Do questions from the day one, the reading you completed. give questions, end of the chapter question, and the blue box examples which I left, and I think you should not do this. One more questions, which coaching I chose. So to be honest, I didn't enroll any coaching. I just use YouTube and free content to clear my CFA level 1 examination, because at end of the day you have to grind yourself. Coaching doesn't matter for me that much. There is a lots of resources on YouTube as well where you can go and watch lectures, make notes. So hopefully you like this video. So I will try to make such more genuine content in next video also. I will try to help out. If you have any doubt, please leave a comment in the comment section, or I will try to put a community link on that. You can personally DM me for the guidance and etc stuffs. Best of the luck for your examinations. That's it.